there friends, Nibs again. I wanted to get out and do a little playing around out in the garage tonight, just real quickly testing out this new one I just picked up, and figured you guys appreciate seeing the results from that. And actually I haven't really shot it too much yet, but I'm going to be trying it out with a couple of pellets that I have here. I have some RWS basic line, Diabolo basics. These ones are 7 grains, pretty light for 177 pellet, and then I'm also going to be just putting those up against these tried and true El Cheapo daisies. Down the road, when weather gets better, I'll get this thing out to the range and you know, really do some better comparison testing with different pellets. I've got a bunch of different brands of seeming like most of my guns like to shoot these flat nose ones, so I've been kind of stocking up on those, and I did order some more. I got some Meister Klugens or Meister Kugelens, something like that. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's fun to say anyway. Meister Kugens. But those are RWS Diabolo sized pellet as well. So again, this one is a Walther LGR, and it is quite a piece of work. So it's pretty neat. So you got a handle here, and you pull that down all the way back like that, and then you run it back up shut. Now you've cocked it and compressed the air in there. There's no spring to cause recoil inaccuracies and things like that a lot of people complain about with Springer rifles. So this is just very much like a pre-charged pneumatic, except for it's not pre-charged, it's just one charge at a time. So I'll shoot the RWS ones first. I'll do those at the right hand target, and we'll see how we do. This is tough with this light right in my back here. It was a little low. Might speed this part up a little bit just to move it along, but we'll see how it goes. That was better, almost a bullseye. These daisies just might beat these RWS. Of course, it's not shooting off a bench, so there's always the me factor in here too. So, but well, now they're all touching. I'll do 5 of each of these on there, so get a good comparison. One thing, I'll show you this, I did a video on this already, but I'll show you this target box I did. It's just like a shoe box filled with jean cloth and terry cloth. Kind of take, like I said in my other video, taking a page out of Paul Harrell's playbook. He does that high-tech fleece bullet stop, and he uses that to usually stop just about any, you know, big calibers, big pistol calibers, rifle calibers, all that sort of thing when he's doing his meat target. Not bad, not bad. All right, so that was 5 of the RWS. Now we'll put those up against the very inexpensive Daisy 7.6 grain. They average about 7.6 grain flat nose pellets, and we'll see how we can do with those. So much fun this gun is. And once I get it loaded and cocked and holding it up, it really reminds me of the one that I shoot sporting rifle with, which is my Izmash CM2. It really holds the same. It's got real nice balance right there. So this really, I think, might help a lot with working on my sporting rifle scores. Been doing pretty good with them actually, but you know, every little bit of practice can help. This thing has a fantastic trigger on it, just like my CM2. It's a little different, not quite so the Baikal pistol that I bought is so close in feel and shooting ability to my high standard that I use for bullseye pistol. That's pretty amazing. So this one is very close though, so I think it will be a great deal of help. Just getting some extra practice in trigger discipline, you know, and actual steadying the rifle and everything. So, you know, these things can get heavy. They're very heavy rifles compared to, you know, a lot of your sporter. So yeah, the daisies are knocking. They're all within like a 1/4 inch of each other out there. So I think this will be the 5th one. All right, I'll do one more here. Yeah, that was a little bit further out, but so anyway, let's go take a look at that target. Alrighty friends, so here we go. Here's the target for the Walther LGR. On the left here we have the RWS Diabolo Basics, and then over here on the left we have the Daisy flat points. So this is the very last shot I did, but the other 4. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 5th one right here. And over here I have a double right there. So all in all, they're all in the 10 ring of these targets anyway. So that would be some good shooting. So look forward to trying some more pellets out in this guy, but so far the daisies are winning. All right, back to the video. Oop, almost forgot. I wanted to give you guys a close-up of this this target box. So here you go. I did do a little video on this as well, but wanted to include it with the that pellet rifle video I'm doing. So so far what I found is those pellets, I put jeans and terry cloth towel material in there, and it's barely making it through 1 or 2 layers of the first layers of cloth there, so should be really nice. All right, back to the video. All right friends, there you go. So you see that target out there, pretty darn good. Not too bad for offhand shooting. So this guy was designed to do 10-meter shooting, which is 33 feet. I've only got 20 feet here in the garage, so I do what I can. But I did measure it. Actually, tonight I knew it was about 20 feet, but I did measure it, and it is exactly 20 feet if I'm standing pretty much up against my bench here, which I was. I'm not touching it, but I'm like right up against it. So, and then where the target is sitting is exactly 20 feet. So from that, you could take the other distance and kind of extrapolate out how big my groups might be at a 33-foot target. So for 10-meter shooting. Hey there, friends. Sorry about that. My mic died right at the end here, so have a great day. We'll see you later.